the time. Nah, nah, I'm feeling myself in the best way. I'm gonna pretend it's my birthday. Got all of my friends going crazy.
Hey guys, we just made the 4-hour drive from Guadalajara to Querétaro, the 8th largest metropolitan city in Mexico. We're staying at the Amberes Hotel next to the Alameda Hidalgo Park, and Jessica's going to show you around the room.
All right. Well, it's not a huge room, but it's good enough because we're just going to be walking for a few hours. So, king size bed. Again, no fridge, but that's okay.
I think we've got another safe in the closet.
And the bathroom.
Just a basic bathroom here.
Basic bathroom. And a good sized shower.
And what are we paying a night here?
About $38 Canadian, booked on booking.com.
Awesome. So yeah, we just got here, checked into the room, and up next we're going to go check out Centro Querétaro.
Come join us. We'll see you later.
This is how we do. We'll go dancing in the club on a Saturday night. Go driving down Sunset, feeling alright, yeah, yeah. Doing anything we like. We'll go cruising down the beach till the morning light. So wild and free, feeling so alive, yeah, yeah. Doing anything we like. We on that golden state of mind. We on that golden state of mind. We on that West Coast high. And we feeling that, feeling that, feeling it, feel that vibe. We on that. Yeah, we do it better. We don't ever care. Ignoring the pressure, like it's not even there. Nah, nah. We feeling ourselves in the best way. I'm gonna pretend it's my birthday. Got all of my friends going crazy. This is how we do. Dancing in the club on a Saturday night. Go driving down Sunset, feeling alright, yeah, yeah. Doing anything we like. Oh, cruising down the beach till the morning light. So wild and free, feeling so alive, yeah, yeah. Doing anything we like. We on that golden state of mind. We on that golden state of mind. We on that West Coast high.
Well, Adventure Amigos, we're here in Querétaro. Our first time here. The city is at about an elevation of 1,800 meters, and we've just been walking around Centro, and so far it's just a beautiful little, well, it's not a little city, but beautiful city.
Yeah, guys, we had dinner down the street there. Had some traditional Mexican comida, and just having a wander around. This is really a beautiful little area. Anyways, we'll catch you in the next bit.
And we feeling that, feeling that, feeling it, feel that vibe. We on that. We on that.
Alrighty, Adventure Amigos. We came, we ate, we walked around. Now we're having a drink. This will be it for Querétaro. Catch you in the next one.